In this module, we're finally going to be talking about objects. What are objects? Well, objects are the actual data that we're going to store in Google Cloud Storage. Together with the data, we're also storing metadata. The maximum size of a single object is 5 TB. We need to give objects names. Basically, we can use any UTF-8 string up to 1 kilobyte in length, except we can't add any carriage return or line feed characters into the name. We can't use the dot or 2 dots as an object name. And we can't start the name with .well-known / Acme challenge stuff. That's used for domain control evidence for certificate authorities. So that's just a little bit of a tidbit there. Because we can basically name the object with any characters, displaying some of them might be problematic. For example, some control characters are illegal in XML. Thus, if we're using the XML API for listing objects with those kind of characters in them, we'll get into trouble. Additionally, the hash character is used by GSUtil to refer to different versions of the same object. Also, the bracket, asterisk, or question mark characters are interfering with GSUtil and its wildcard operations. Remember that objects are located in a flat namespace, so a / is just a part of an object name. This basically means that there's no performance gain from doing nested directory-like structures that you would expect from a normal file system. Regarding metadata, it's basically the same stuff as we already heard regarding buckets, right? So objects have metadata just like buckets. Part of them are fixed key metadata, which can either be modified or not, depending on the type of metadata. Additionally, custom metadata can be set with our own keys and values for a total size of 8 KB. One piece of metadata is the storage class of the object. Remember that the objects have same latency, durability, or API actions independent of the storage class they are in. There are 4 different storage classes, which we're going to refer to later on in the course. But just as a quick reminder, we have standard storage, that is meant for data that is frequently accessed, nearline storage, which is meant for infrequently accessed data, think once per month or less. Then we have cold line storage, that's meant for very infrequently accessed data, like once per quarter or even less. And then finally, we have the archive storage, which is meant for data archival. Basically, in that case, we never want to read the data, or we're accessing it maximally once per year.